In this video, we're going to take a look at the midpoint formula. So to find the midpoint of a line segment, essentially what we're doing, and I try to encourage you to just understand as opposed to memorize anything. So what we're doing is we're finding the average of the x value and the average of the y value, and that would give us the middle. So let's find the midpoint of the given segments. The midpoint, again, we can call this A and B and C just so that we are clear which one we're talking about. So if I'm trying to find the midpoint of A, I'm going to average the x values, which is 0 plus 2 divided by 2, and average the y values, which is 0 plus 4 divided by 2. So essentially I get 2 halves, 4 halves, which of course is just 1 comma 2. So if I plot the point 1 on the x value, 2 on the y value, that does appear to be the midpoint of the line segment. Let's repeat for B. So for B, I'm going to take 0 plus 3 divided by 2. I'm going to take 0 plus negative 2 divided by 2. That gives me 3 halves, negative 2 halves, which of course is 3 halves comma negative 1. So 3 halves would be 1.5, and then negative 1, that would be my midpoint of B. Let's do the last for C. So for C, I'm going to take the x's, 2 plus 3. Again, I'm just finding those from my picture. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, and 4 plus negative 2 divided by 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 halves. 4 plus negative 2 is 2 halves. That gives me 5 halves comma 1. And so 5 halves is the same as 2 and a half, and then comma 1. That would be the midpoint of segment C.